Hello everybody, this is Katrina Cravey. I'm in Montego Bay in Jamaica for Chips, Cheese Heads in Paradise for WKLH. And I've been struggling this whole week to go, okay, I know I need to shoot a video here in this gorgeous area, show you a little bit of the beach. And then I was thinking, what can I really give you as a takeaway from this trip? Number one, when you're doing videos or social media, don't worry so much about the background and everything needing to be perfect. Heck, I was actually thinking that. Shooting this video, I'm like, oh, I need to have my makeup done, I want my hair done right. The truth is, it doesn't really matter. What people really want is for you to be real, to show them some behind the scenes things that they may not get to see. That's important. My tip number two takeaway is always have your tagline, something about your business that wraps the video up. You don't want to be sitting there going on your YouTube channel going, well, okay, so I think that pretty much does it. Thanks for watching, bye. It just seems weak. You need to have a good tagline. For me, that's simple. All I have to say is, I'm Katrina Cravey. Broadcast your business.